Patrick Bryne sells cryptographic snake oil. Patrick Bryne performs media stunts as Overstock company nears bankruptcy. CEO of Overstock.com, Patrick Bryne, is no stranger to media attention. Bryne became known as the Bitcoin Messiah by Wired magazine when his company became one of the first major retailers in the United States to accept Bitcoin. The company again made headlines in September, announcing international customers could buy with Bitcoin. Yesterday, the company took the Bitcoin media fanfare to the next level by announcing through Wired a Bitcoin-like stock market. You would think with all this recent success, Overstock would be reaping huge benefits from shareholders. However, since the beginning of 2014, Overstock has lost 46% of its value. Share prices over the last year show July 26, 2013, $34.40 a share. January 1st, 2014, $30.79 a share. And today, $16.21 a share. Overstock is a failing business. The market capitalization of Overstock is $397 million. Keep in mind Amazon's market capitalization is $149 billion. Overstock can simply not compete with Amazon because Amazon has set up a network to offer better prices than Overstock can. How about other key financial metrics? Overstock has a PE ratio of 4.74, which on first glance would make the company look incredibly cheap. That is until you consider the company is not growing at all and is closing in on bankruptcy as their core business does not earn much money. Amazon, by comparison, has a PE ratio of 846, which would make it look overvalued unless you understand that Amazon is a growing business. When Overstock first announced they would begin accepting Bitcoins, many articles were citing the fact that Overstock did over $1 billion of revenue in 2013. Again, they failed to report the company net profit was close to zero. $1 billion of sales did not impress the market either, as the company has disappointed on most earnings reports recently. Patrick Bryne was hailed by many in the Bitcoin community as heralding a new age of Bitcoin merchant adoption. Patrick Bryne announces Bitcoin-based stock market. The Wired story from yesterday gives incredibly favorable coverage to Bryne and Overstock, leading one to believe that Overstock is an emerging technology company. Quoting Wired magazine, Overstock.com is building software based on the Bitcoin digital currency that could allow the big-name e-tailer to issue corporate stock over the internet, sidestepping traditional stock exchanges such as the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange. The Salt Lake City-based company recently hired two of the developers behind Counterparty, an online project that helps individuals and businesses build all sorts of financial services atop the worldwide network of machines that drive Bitcoin. And according to Overstock founder and CEO Patrick Bryne, these coders will help build crypto security software that any company could potentially use to issue financial securities over the net. Mirroring Bitcoin, known as a cryptocurrency, these securities would be controlled by cryptographic algorithms running across computers spread across the globe, not by a central stock exchange. Since this announcement, the counterparty currency has soared over 100%. And how about the Overstock company? It seems they should have rallied as well, but no, they lost 33 cents on the day. Patrick Bryne's megalomania emerges when he suggests that Overstock will soon be worth more than Alibaba. Like many others, Bryne uses hyperbole in describing the prospects of Bitcoin and its related technologies, and he's committing between 5 and 10% of Overstock's cash flow, single-digit millions, to the company's crypto security project. Building this and being the company that owns this can be more valuable than Overstock, he says. It can be more valuable than Alibaba. Strangely, the Wired article never once asked Bryne why his own company is performing so poorly. In case Bryne is not aware, Alibaba is worth more than $221 billion. With Byrne's company pegged at $397 million, he needs to grow his company to be 556 times its current size to be on equal value with Alibaba. Good luck to you, Mr. Patrick Byrne.